In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to protect your folder with a password. This method is useful for securing sensitive information. Let's get started. Find the folder you want to protect. Right-click on the folder and select Share. Alternatively, click on the Share button located in the top right corner. Go to Settings and then select Folder Settings. If you're using a premium package, look for options that allow you to set a password. You'll find settings to generate a password for both editing and viewing the folder. Create and save your password. If you don't have a premium account, you can use a free online service. Open your web browser and search for Password Link. You'll find various services that let you securely send or receive sensitive information. For example, go to one of these services and paste the download link of your folder. After pasting your link, follow the instructions to create a secure link. Set a password that will be required to access the folder. Share the generated link with the password. Keep in mind that this will be a one-time link, meaning it won't work more than once for security purposes.